begin building your Versys VS.3, make sure you have all four necessary components: the top, the leg stabilizer, and the splint. Spread the legs of the base, making sure that the locking pin connects all of the legs together. Take the hook and loop splint and slip it over the framing. Tighten it with the strap loop closure. Next, slip the top over the frame pieces and align the zippers together. Zip the bag all the way around, making sure to tilt the bag into where you're zipping. As you near the end, tuck the first part of the zipper inside as you make the final pass. Once you've finished zipping the bag, fold the flap down to cover the zipper. Next, you'll take the leg stabilizer and zip all three zippers to meet in the center. With the zipper vertex up, slide the leg stabilizer up. The hook and loop fastening tape will hold it in place. To secure it tighter, give each of the three sides a swift knee strike. After that, you're ready to begin using your Versys VS.3.